Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little Quickie Stickii unboxing for you guys. If you haven't seen this before, Stickii Club is a monthly sticker subscription thing that I get. I'll link the website down below so you can check it out because I'm not sponsored by them, so I'm not really advertising it. I'm just sharing my fun little sticker haul with you guys. So yeah, we're just going to jump into it. I got the vintage pack this month. We got another one of those cool map envelopes, so like I'm very excited for that. As you can see, I have not cracked it open in the slightest yet, so I'm excited. I do not remember what the theme was supposed to be, so this is going to be a surprise all the way around. Whee! I'm going to save that for later, and then, here we go. It is the Erudite Life. So I'm thinking we're getting a little light academia action here, which is fun. I think it's definitely coming upon this season for that. Because something about the fall always makes me think of, like, the academia aesthetic. Probably because it's back to school. But, like, you know, it's just a good time for it. I'm excited to see what we got. So, first up, we got a stamp. This little tiny owl stamp. Look how cute. This little owl on a stack of books. And he's got, like, a little pencil. So, that's super cute. And I'll wait to play with that. In fact, I'm just going to put that off to the side because I put all my little stamps in a little baggie so I don't lose them. And then we got a little notepad and it says Our Bookshelf, Notes and Reviews. Oh, let me pop you guys a little closer. There, hope that's better. So yeah, Our Bookshelf, Notes and Reviews. So it's a nice little bookish, little list style notepad, and this is just from Stickii Club. And then let's see what stickers we got. Excitement. Alright. Can you see? Do we need a background of sorts? Is that better? Kind of. At any rate, so we have these like Stickii Clubs of these like studious vintage women. That's very cool. I love these. I love that they're like torn edges. Those will make really fun like clusters, I think. I think they'll go in really nice on some clusters. Really nice little collage element. So I like that. I think this one's my favorite. I like the colors. So that's a cool one. And then we have these, which are not my favorite in style, because they do the numbers like stickers for like the planner girlies, which is cool, but I would rather they all just be numberless. But it's still cool. I'll still get a lot of use out of these. They're just book spines. And there's a nice little variety. So there's a nice little variety. Sorry I had to cut because my possessed pet feeder was going off. But we're back. But there's a nice variety for the third time now. Of like book spines that I think I'll get lots of use out of. They're really cute. And then they gave us some plain ones here too as well. So those are neat. Oh, and I guess if you can't see it very well, this might be better. You think I'd have like a white piece of paper here, but I don't. Which is crazy because I have all the paper in the world. And then up next, we have these. These are by Audrey Okia. And they're these cute little stamps. And these ones I'll definitely get lots of use out of. These are great. I could use 2 more sheets of these, as a matter of fact. But it's definitely giving Autumn Academia vibes. I love this little motif. And they're gilded on the edges, which is really nice. So these are a really nice sheet. And then we have a set of, like, vellum. I had to feel it to be sure. But they're like a set of vellum stickers. And they are like stuff that you would find on your desk. Some journals, some tape, a little pen and ink, although that's not quite how that pen works. Unless it's like the kind that you draw the ink in, but it just looks like a regular pen. Do you see the pen that I'm speaking of? Like, that doesn't look right. But that might just be my brain being weird and really nothing else. See, now we have like a brush and ink. That makes more sense to me. This is the pen I'm looking for in this pen, but I don't know. I don't know how pens work. This is by Nettle and Twig. It's really hard to see their little handle. But it's a nice little sheet. I like the typewriter. I like the stuff. Very fun. And then we have this sheet. And this is like, it's gilded, but it's like bronze gilding. Like a bronzish color. And we have some more like academic type stuff here. Very studious. A couple desk situations. I love the girl on the bike. That's really nice. A little cricket bat. And this is by Ivy Alive. So these are nice. And then we have another clear sheet. This is by Archie's Goodies. And we got another one of those really nice desk setups with some planners and some journals. I should do a light academia, dark academia set. That would be nice. Use up some of these. Because I have some more stuff that's like this from Stickii Club that could stand to get used. But these are nice. And then we have this set. This is from Izzy Jefferson Illustration. And I like these ones. These ones are gilded with gold, since I made such a distinction. But those are nice. It's all very, very cohesive, this set, which is very interesting. And then the last one we have is by Julia Veretto at portfoliobox.net. Her cute little artist face. That's really cute. And we got another set of books in envelopes. And just like academic stuff, which is really interesting. We got 8 sheets. And they're all really, really cohesive. Usually there's like a couple, like 2 at least, that are like a little bit oddball, like left field types. And I think probably the most left field one is this one, because it has more of a fall aspect to it. But otherwise, like, these all really go really, really well together. This was a very cohesive collection. There were no curveballs in this set. There wasn't anything super special either, except for that stamp was the little special guy. But there's usually a little special piece, like a special vinyl sticker or a stamp, and then another thing like a postcard or a bookmark or something like that. And we didn't get that this time, which is interesting. I'm not like upset about it, but you know, a little bit curious as to what happened with the curation of this set. I'm not mad about this set though. It's going to be super useful. It's definitely right up my alley. And I do think I would like to eventually get around to doing like a light academia and dark academia journal collection together. I think that would be fun. But that's a next year project. That's not a this year project. But let me know what you guys think of our Stickii Club this month. Let me know what your favorite sheet was. I still think this is my favorite. These 2 are my favorites, and then, you know, the rest fall in line. But yeah, that's what I got this month, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what the theme for next month is, and if I get that too. But I'm going to jump off here, because this is a Quickie Stickii unboxing, and I'm going to run on out of here. But until next time, guys, I appreciate your faces. Happy crafting. Bye!